Kia ora! In September, the Koanga Spring Workshops begin, and first up is the Koanga Reclaim Your Health Week. So on the Reclaim Your Health Week, we'll be learning the principles of all the incredibly healthy Indigenous people that Weston Price visited, all the principles that they based their diets on. And then we'll be learning to use those principles or apply those principles in designing diets for ourselves in this day and age in our own environments, for our families and our communities. We'll also be eating food based on those principles for the week, and we'll be learning to cook and prepare food based on those principles. But possibly most importantly, you'll have 5 days out to relax and enjoy the company and the food and the learning, and we're really confident that you'll go home inspired and empowered to continue your journey around reclaiming your health and the health of your family. I'm really passionate about this workshop. It's been a big journey for me, and I'm really excited about meeting you, getting to know you and working with you during this week.